Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today in this channel I will show you one website that will help you to make money from home. So you will be able to take survey and able to make money through your knowledge. So let me show you the website so that we can get started together. When you come to Google, you will type this Earnably. So when you come to this here, the first one, earn free gift cards. Let's just open. This is the website I was talking about. As you will see here, complete offers, survey, tasks, free PayPal cash and gift card, competitive payout rate, 1,000 plus instant rewards. So this is the website. If you just sign up with my link that I lay there in the description below, you will be able to start earning money. Sign in with PayPal. You get straight money in your PayPal account. So one more again, this platform is not available everywhere. So this is more is for those ones from United States, from those rich country, not like those top countries. So if you're somewhere there in Africa, I'm not sure, but you might not be able to sign up, but you can give it a try. So this is this is my review. I'm not sure, but you can give a try to this platform here. It's called Earnably. As you see here, you earn free gift card, fast, easy, reliable online rewards. So this is the website. So let me log in so we can start. I can show you what is happening inside there for you to know what you will have to do when you come in. So let me show you again. All right, let me just sign up now. Then you will be able to sign up. It's telling me, sorry, your Google account is not connected to your account yet and cannot be used to sign up. We have sent you an email with a magic sign up to sign into your state. All right. So they're telling me that my email is not connected to my account. So let me go and check my email now and see what has happened. All right. So they're telling me now, we have just reactivated your account and you will be able to sign in again. Let me know if you get stuck. All right. So now they give me 2 email now already. All right, let me sign in. No, I don't know what is happening because actually right now I'm somewhere else. So here I'm inside already my account. I'm here already in my account. As you see, endpoint is by completing offers. I'm here. This is my account, camera. All right, so what you do when you're inside here, you just complete the offers here. As you see, you just complete these offers and you get paid straight, and you will come here to redeem. When you redeem the points, then you get paid. So this is the interface inside of Earnably. This is the inside of Earnably. So when you just sign up through my link that I left inside there in my description below, you will come straight into this point here and you will be able to start answering all these questions here in order for you to, after that, you can redeem this in order to get money straight to your PayPal account. This is Earnably, most popular. This will help you the high pay. As you see here, this is the highest pay. You can select which one you want for you to get. Now we have selected this one, high pay. So you just grab one of these and you just answer it. So for the purpose of this, let's check this one here, the first one. All right, before I click this one, let me just check which one you will take. But we have also another one, the lowest pay. We have the lowest, the highest pay, the most popular. Now we are inside of Earnably, as you see now. So let's check which one can we start in order for us to study and earning points, and then after that we can just get them and make money. So earn points by completing offers and tasks. Offers, this we are already here in the offers. It's earn points by completing offers. Let me to explore some other places. As you come here to explore, you see all these endpoints by completing offers and tasks from our parents. As we see here, all this. You check also, you can check survey here. You can check survey here, 5 minutes survey with endpoints. And you can just check videos if you good. You can also, for now, for me, it's not available for me to just watch a video and get paid, but I don't have at this moment. There are no videos visible in your, yeah, it's telling me that it's not in my location where I am. There's no videos for me to watch and get paid in the location where I am right now, because I'm outside of my country. All right, and also if you just finish, you can invite one of your friends and then you can get paid. You just invite someone, then if a person signs up, then you get 10% of their earning for life. Share unique refer links with your refers to earn. So this is, my brother, you can give it a try. Or let me show here in this place here. As you see here, to redeem your points for free, cash and digital gift cards. When you redeem like 10,000 points, you get $1. 20,000 points, you get $2. 30,000 points, you get $3. As you see here, this is the amount. When you get like 100,000 points and you get $10. When you come to this, let's go to the maximum number. If you get 1 million points, you get $100. As you see, guys, so I'm just showing you everything here. I'm not hiding everything. So this is great opportunity for you to give it a try. You can try it and just come here and start answering. This is a very, very powerful platform that will pay you, as you see here. So I don't want just live for you. You can sign up this and start straightforward to make money through Earnably. As you see here, you can make money straight with Earnably. 1 million points, you get $100. This $100 straight to your PayPal account. This is the platform I was talking about. So if you like this tutorial, please let me know something in the comment below there. And for more information regarding to this, please check in my description below. There you will get the link for you to sign up and start straight to get the survey for you to answer all the questions, or any offer that you might want to do. You can come here and start answering the questions, or get survey, or watching the videos. Anything you can do in order for you to get points and get this amount here. After you complete your point, you get these points, you can get straight PayPal free amount. So if you like this tutorial, again, please let me know. And thank you very much for you to watching this tutorial. I really appreciate. And the link is in the description below. You can check it there for you to sign up. Thank you very much.